Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon so that whenever I post you get a notification. So this video is all about creating a very simple black smoky eye look. You can either go for the nude lipsticks with this smoky eye look, or you can opt for a red or bold maroon lipsticks as per your choice. So without any further ado, let's get started. And I also post a lot on the Instagram. I'll leave my handle in the description box below, so please do follow me and let's connect over there also. Okay, so I'll first start with moisturizing my lips, and for that I'll be using Vaseline. After that, for the eyebrows, I will go with this Fashion Brow Cream Pencil by Maybelline. Just using a bit to give them a proper shape. Moving on, for the eyes, I'll first use this color corrector, this orange color corrector by Estee Lauder. I'll just be taking a bit of it. Make sure that you have already applied an eye primer or have moisturized and primed the skin well so that the colors pop out brightly. For the concealer, I'll be using this Maybelline's Age Divine Concealer. I am in the shade 120 Light and it's a really nice concealer. I'll just take the product over my eyes. Now I'll be taking this Damn Beauty blender and will dab the product all over my eyes. Now I'll set it with a loose powder. For that, I'll be using this Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 15 Light. Make sure that you always dab the extra product out. For an easy smoky eye look, all you need is a black kajal, a black eyeshadow and a brown eyeshadow which will act as a transition shade. For the black kajal, I am using this Maybelline's Colossal Kajal, and for the brown and black eyeshadow, I'll be using this Maybelline's Nude Eyeshadow Palette. This has got both brown and black colors. Firstly, I'll be spreading the brown shade all over my eyes below the crease area, because when I'll blend, तो वो crease area के थोड़ा सा ऊपर चला ही जाएगा and we need a space over there. So अभी this line is your crease line. You have to work below that. So I'll be taking this brown shade and will be blending it all over my eyes. Once it's done, now we have to apply our kajal roughly over as an eyeliner. Now I'll take a smudging brush and a black eyeshadow, and I will now smudge my black eyeshadow with the kajal. It's really very difficult to wipe out the excess of the black color from the face, so always start with a lesser product so that you can build it up again. For giving this smoky eye a very nice effect, I'll be taking this dark brown color again over the crease area and will blend all the colors together. Now I'll repeat the steps and apply kajal and smudge it with a black eyeshadow. So for finishing the eyes, I'll just curl. And now I'll apply my mascara. I'm using today the L'Oreal's Lash Paradise Mascara. My eye look is complete, and now I'll be doing the makeup of the rest of my face, starting with the same color corrector from Estee Lauder and then the concealer. Now I'll set it with the loose powder. For the foundations, today I'll be using this Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the shade 115 Ivory. Now I'll take a Damn Beauty blender and will dab the product. For the blush and highlighter, I'll go with this Maybelline's Blush and Highlighter Kit, and I'll take this color today. I apply highlighter to highlight the bridge of my nose, my eyebrows and the inner corner of my eyes and also my cheekbones. So for finishing the look, you can either go for a bold red or maroon lip, or you can also go to the nude family and pick any of your favorite nude colors. I'm going on with this Nykaa's Molten Matte lipstick in the shade 14 Robin. That's pretty much it for this video. This is how you can create black smoky eye look very easily. And if you guys liked it, then please do share with friends, families, write down in the comments, it means a lot. And I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.